Sustainability is like your seventh generation should live the same lifestyle that your current generation is living. So that's sustainability for me. I'm Sunil Vidyula, founder and CEO of Nanoprecise, a mechanical engineer by background. I came to understand that machinery breakdown, especially the rotating machinery breakdown like pumps, compressors, turbines, all of that, causes a lot of downtime losses. McKinsey has put that as $600 billion. But apart from that, the motor-driven machinery is responsible for 65% of the global electricity consumption. We are talking about 500 million motors, and every motor drives a machinery like a pump, compressor, turbine. Our solution is a combination of an IoT-based sensor and AI-powered software. So we are find out what is the incremental energy change due to that fault. It is already increasing your energy consumption. So we quantify that. And apart from that, we also quantify the incremental carbon emissions and the energy consumption in dollar value and tell the customer so that they can take an action and save money and save the environment. And the indirect result is they're also avoiding the unplanned downtime.
Congratulations, Nanoprecise.
So that's where we thought, okay, what we can do best to contribute towards the net zero with our technology in the maintenance space. And we figured out that we can easily save 3 to 5% of the global electricity carbon emissions globally if our device is installed on every single motor in the world and people can act on those maintenance and sites.